बजटिंग होता क्या है? बजटिंग इज बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हम हर महीने कितना पैसा कमाते हैं और उसका कौन सा हिस्सा हमको कौन से खर्चे में डालना है। सेविंग फंड होना बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज सेविंग्स विल हेल्प यू डिसाइडिंग एंड शेपिंग योर फ्यूचर फॉर योर सेल्फ, फॉर योर फैमिली एंड फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन। इमरजेंसी इमरजेंसी इमरजेंसी, किसी भी तरीके की इमरजेंसी आ सकती है जिंदगी में। 3 महीने से लेके 6 महीने तक अगर आपको कहीं से कोई पैसा नहीं आएगा, स्टिल यू कैन सर्वाइव, यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ योर फैमिली, योर ऑल बेसिक नीड्स, योर ग्रोसरीज, योर हाउस रेंट, योर EMIs, योर कार EMIs, योर बैंक लोन EMIs, whatever is your monthly commitment, I don't know. You must, I strongly urge, you must start investing the minute you touch 20, or the minute you have your bank account and you start getting your first salary is when you should start investing. How your risk should be managed, this is something you need to understand. Hey, what's up? I'm Sumit Khubchandani and welcome back to my channel. आज का जो वीडियो है ना वो बहुत स्पेशल और बहुत इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट। दिस वीडियो इज फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल जो अपनी फाइनेंशियल जर्नी शुरू कर रहे हैं, पीपल हु आर इन देयर अर्ली 20s और पीपल हु रियली वांट टू क्रिएट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन फॉर देम इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर फाइनेंस एंड बजट प्लानिंग। टुडे इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट budgeting, expense management, how to manage your finances better, and how to make a systematic investment in your early 20s, which will give you results and fruits once you are in your 40s or maybe 50s. So let's get going. बजटिंग बेसिक्स। बजटिंग होता क्या है? बजटिंग इज बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हम हर महीने कितना पैसा कमाते हैं और उसका कौन सा हिस्सा हमको कौन से खर्चे में डालना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू अर्न एन एक्स अमाउंट इन अ मंथ, यू शुड बजट योर सेल्फ दैट दिस मच हैज टू गो इन माई हाउस EMI और हाउस रेंट, दिस मच हैज टू गो इन टू माई ग्रोसरी एक्सपेंसेस, माई मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस, माई स्कूलिंग एक्सपेंसेस फॉर माई किड्स, फॉर माई एजुकेशन, फॉर माई सेल्फ लर्निंग, फॉर माई ग्रोथ. So all these things need to be budgeted, planned, and that is what gives you a good shape of how you budget your things. हर महीने के expenses, हर महीने की income को अच्छे से manage करना is called budgeting. Today we are in a blessed time where we have so many applications which can really help us tracking and budgeting things in a much better way. For example, there's a brilliant app called Jupiter, there is an app called Walnut, there is an app called Moneyfy, and there are many such applications. I mean, I have nothing to do with any of these applications, and I don't recommend any of them or all of them. It's up to you. Download it, explore it, whatever you like, do it. The agenda over here is that you should budget your expenses. The better you budget your expenses, the better position you will be in tracking your financial journey. सेविंग, oh my god, that's one of my favorite topics. So saving एक इतनी important चीज है हमारी लाइफ में, which most of us prefer buying luxuries, prefer buying things which we should not, just to fulfill our desires. Whereas I feel instead of fulfilling our desires, हम अपनी गलतियों से सीखते हैं। मैंने भी बहुत गलतियां की होंगी, शायद जो मैं आज ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, and I'm explaining to you guys कि saving की importance क्या है. So every month, whatever you earn, be it your business, be it your salary or whatever it is, make sure a chunk of amount is being saved. So what I usually do now is that I have multiple saving accounts. एक वो सेविंग अकाउंट है जहां से खर्चे होते हैं सारे, एक वो सेविंग अकाउंट है जहां पे एक सर्टेन परसेंटेज ऑफ अमाउंट हर महीने वट एवर आई अर्न वहां से निकाल करके वहां पे डाल दिया जाता है, विच आई हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग फॉर लास्ट कपल ऑफ ईयर्स, एंड आई इंश्योर कम वॉट मे वो परसेंटेज ऑफ अमाउंट निकाल करके अलग उस अकाउंट में डाला जाए. दैट इज वॉट विल हेल्प यू. सो सेविंग फंड होना बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज सेविंग्स विल हेल्प यू डिसाइडिंग and shaping your future for yourself, for your family and for your children. Emergency fund. इमरजेंसी इमरजेंसी इमरजेंसी, किसी भी तरीके की इमरजेंसी आ सकती है जिंदगी में बेबी. इट कैन बी an accident, it can be a medical expense, it can be anything. Emergency fund banana is very important apart from your savings. Now savings is something which happens every month. Emergency fund is something, how can we forget? Sorry, What about COVID-19? आज कोरोना आना था, हम में से किसी को मालूम नहीं था कोरोना आया. We saw something which none of us expected. How did we deal with it? People who had savings, companies who had a lot of money in their bank accounts, a lot of people literally worked on their savings, survived on their savings. So emergency fund is something that is very important. All of us should have minimum 3 to 6 months of emergency fund. मतलब 3 महीने से लेके 6 महीने तक अगर आपको कहीं से कोई पैसा नहीं आएगा, still you can survive. You can take care of your family, your all basic needs, your groceries, your house rent, your EMIs, your car EMIs, your bank loan EMIs, whatever is your monthly commitment, I don't know. But you should be able to do or take care of the same for 6 months minimum. That is what I call an emergency fund. So understand what is your monthly requirement, create an emergency fund for minimum 6 months. उससे ज़्यादा कर सकते हो तो nothing like it, but minimum 6 months is that you require. Do that and keep it aside, block it and forget about it. ये एक safety net का काम करेगा for you and your family and your loved ones. So always create an emergency fund. Investing, one of my favorite subjects. You must, I strongly urge, you must start investing the minute you touch 20, or the minute you have your bank account and you start getting your first salary is when you should start investing. Be it 500 rupees a month or 5,000 or 5 lakhs. Irrespective, you must start investing the minute you start getting your first pay. Investing in long term can create mind-blowing wealth for you. When I was in my 20s, there was nobody who had taught me this. किसी ने नहीं सिखाया मुझे कि 20 साल की उम्र में आपको रेस्टोरेंट में पैसे नहीं खर्चने चाहिए ज़्यादा, या आपको एक बार में जाके ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं खर्चने चाहिए, या आपको एक्सपेंसिव फ़ोन, एक्सपेंसिव गैजेट्स में नहीं खर्चने चाहिए, बिकॉज हमारे को स्कूल कॉलेज में ये नहीं सिखाया जाता. हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें ऑलवेज, दे आर ऑलवेज गाइडिंग अस, आवर पेरेंट्स आर आवर गाइडिंग फोर्स, बट स्टिल बिकॉज ऑफ peer pressure or lot of reasons, we tend to go out and do certain things in a certain way, which I am not saying are wrong, they are absolutely fine, but we must have a certain amount of money which is again invested every month. To start early, in our early 20s, we should always play safe, or we can go a little volatile as we grow, as we learn. Once we reach 24, 25, 28, 30, I don't know when you start your journey, but to start with, you can always do with index funds, which are the safest bet to start with. You can always invest. Now there are applications like Small Case and a lot of other applications, such applications, which you can choose a safe case to invest with. You can choose a safe fund to invest in, and now there are options of investing with whatever money you have. It's not important that you invest a certain amount of money every month. You can have a flexibility of investing a certain amount. You can have a fixed amount that you want to invest every month. There are all possibilities now. Now you can even buy gold digitally. No need to go to a jeweler and buy gold. You can buy a digital gold. Not necessary that you buy 1 gram or 10 gram minimum. No, whatever money you have, you can buy digital gold from lot of sources, from your bank, or there are many other sources from where you can buy. So start investing, start small, no problem. Trust me, the minute you have a habit of investing and you do keep doing that month on month for years together, in long term you will create phenomenal wealth for yourself. डाइवर्सिफिकेशन एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. हमने सेविंग्स की बात कर ली, हमने बजटिंग की बात कर ली, हमने इमरजेंसी फंड की बात कर ली, हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात कर ली. Now when we talk about investment, how diversified your investment should be, how your risk should be managed, this is something you need to understand. So if I would have been in my early 20s, so I am almost 40 now, but if I would have been in my early 20s, I would have the courage of taking more risk. The older I get, my risk taking courage goes down. I want to take lesser risk and I want to play safe. But if I would have been in your age, if I would have been in my early 20s, I would take more risk. So ideally, if you are just starting your your investment journey, you should have it distributed and diversified in various factors. For example, I will give you my working and my sheet on the same in my next video, but just to give you a gist, for example, you should invest a little bit in crypto. You should invest index funds. In index funds, you should have an SIP investment which should be going on. You should have your digital gold investments. So that is exactly how I would love to diversify my risk. If your income is high and if you are at a different age altogether and you can afford to have real estate, then yes, a bigger chunk of investment should also be put in real estate. So that's exactly how I would like to diversify my finances. Finally, I would like to conclude this that all the above points that I mentioned, if you follow all of them, lovely. अगर उनमें से 3 या 4 भी follow कर लिए, you will create a very strong financial future. I am here to support you with many such videos. I have learned so many things from my mistakes, from my life, from my failures, and how I could overcome them. And I would love that the mistakes that I made at the age of 20 or in my 20s, I would love you to not do that. So take it from my experience. मैं अपना सारा experience आपके सामने ला करके रख दूंगा, and I will share all the best possible ways that we can create an amazing wealth for ourselves. Thank you so much. अगर ये कंटेंट आपको अच्छा लगा and you could resonate with it, I would request you to please subscribe the channel, and I will keep coming back with more such videos. Thank you so much.